Wait for a sec. Okay, guys. So I made one video and I have a tutorial how to make this. I'm gonna show you the tutorial. First, this is how to make it. Go to the question mark category. Look for this. And make it the same size. See this? This is gonna. So you make the same size, and I had to put an extra piece because I didn't make it completely. Okay, and then see this back part. You just twist that and put it on the back. And I'm gonna make the cannon soon. Just wait. And then the missile. This missile is you have to be very careful with this missile because it explodes in the place. Also, you just take one. Also, to make the top thing, you just take one of those. I'm just gonna continue with my tutorial. And then grab this glass, and then grab another bar, put on the bottom right here. Okay, and then after that, you just resize one of them. Like this. You size one of them and you size it till it's matched. Well, do it. Well, okay. You turn it and then you do it like this. Make sure it connects. Make sure it connects. Trying to resize mine. Just wait. Okay, I finished my part, and then after that, you connect those wires. Do this at the top. Do this with the rest of the parts. Okay. Also, make sure to put the seat inside, like here. Now, time to do this piston part.